You ever get that feeling someone's watching you?
Hey, what's wrong with you?
Maybe through your phone's camera right now? It sounds like something straight out of a spy movie, but honestly, it's a very real threat. Your private conversations, your financial details, all of it. That's a goldmine for cybercriminals. And the scariest part? They don't always need some high-tech, Mission Impossible gadget. Sometimes all it takes is tricking you just one time. But here's the good news. Your own phone or computer will often give you pretty specific warnings when a hacker has wiggled their way in. You just have to know what you're looking for. So I'm about to show you exactly what those 5 red flags are. Red flag number 1. Your device suddenly runs as slow as a turtle and gets hotter than the sun. Has your phone or computer started acting like it's wading through cement? Apps take forever to load, things are crashing, the whole thing is just useless. You might also notice it's weirdly warm, even when you're not doing anything. This is not your device just getting old. It's a classic sign that malware or spyware is destroying your performance in the background. These malicious programs eat up all your device's processing power and memory, leaving nothing for you. They are secretly working overtime, stealing your data, tracking every move you make, or even using your device's power to mine crypto for themselves. A device that's hot and slow for no reason is a device that is screaming for help. Alright, red flag number 2. You check your data usage and it is insanely high, way earlier in the month than usual. You get that text from your provider saying you're almost at your limit. You have to pay attention to that. It's a massive red flag. Think about it. Spyware has to send all your stolen information back to the hacker. Your messages, your photos, your logins, all of it has to be uploaded, and that uses your data. There's also malware that runs silently, faking clicks on ads to generate money for the attacker, burning through your data and your battery. Both Android and iOS let you see which apps are using the most data. If you see some random app you never use at the very top of that list, you have a huge problem. This is easily the creepiest sign that someone is literally watching or listening to you. You know that little green or orange dot on your iPhone that shows you when your camera or mic is on? It's normal if you're on a video call, whatever. But what if it just pops up randomly while you're scrolling Instagram, or when your phone is supposed to be doing absolutely nothing? That is a huge warning. It means a malicious app could be secretly turning on your camera or microphone to spy on you in real time. Android has this feature too. If you see that light, swipe down to your control center immediately. Your phone will tell you exactly which app is spying on you. If it's an app that has no business using your camera,
So you've been hacked.
Red flag number 4. Your screen is just pure chaos. You're suddenly getting bombarded with pop-up ads, even on websites that are normally clean. Or worse, you get those fake panicked warnings screaming that your device is full of viruses and you have to download their special cleaning tool right now. This is a classic trap. This is called adware or scareware. And it's designed to bully you into making a catastrophic mistake. These pop-ups are traps designed to get you to click a bad link or download an even worse virus. Another symptom is your browser going completely rogue. Your homepage changes, or you try to go to Google and it sends you to some sketchy search engine you've never heard of. That means a hacker is in the driver's seat and they are controlling where you go online.
What is happening to my computer? Got him. Full control. No, get out of my system!
And the final ultimate red flag. This goes beyond your device and into your entire digital life. Once a hacker is on your phone, their next stop is your online accounts. Are you getting password reset emails you never requested for Instagram or your bank?
Have your friends told you they got a bizarre message from you that you know you never sent?
These are blaring alarms that a hacker has stolen your passwords and is taking over your accounts. They might have used a keylogger to record everything you type. Or just pulled the passwords right from your files. Once they're in, they can lock you out, steal your identity, or use your name to scam your friends and family. Treat any weird security alert like a hack in progress because it probably is. So, if you're seeing these signs, don't panic. But you need to act fast. I mean, right now. First, disconnect that device from the internet. Turn off the Wi-Fi, unplug the cable, do whatever it takes. That cuts off the hacker's connection. Next, get a trusted antivirus program and run a full scan to find and destroy anything malicious. Then, this is critical. From a different, clean device, change the passwords for your most important accounts. Your email, your banking, your social media. Change everything. Go through your device and delete any suspicious apps you don't recognize. In a worst-case scenario, if you can't get rid of the virus, you might have to do a full factory reset. This is the nuclear option because it erases all your data, but it's better than letting a hacker win. Look, at the end of the day, keeping your digital life secure is in your hands. By learning to spot these 5 red flags, a slow and hot device, crazy data use, the camera light turning on, bizarre pop-ups, and weird account activity, you can stop a hacker before they cause a total disaster. Stay vigilant, trust your gut, and listen to the warnings your devices are giving you. Thank you guys, and subscribe me for next cybersecurity and save your life with Digitally. If you have any questions, please comment. See you with next video.